5 Best Cabinet Table Saws. Top 1. Bosch Cabinet Style Router Table RA1171. Support: the tall aluminum fence measuring 4 7/8 inch x 25 1/8 inch can handle tall stock with ease. The fence is complete with adjustable MDF faceplates for smoother operation, with taller workpieces, and outfeed can be offset for jointing precision. The Bosch RA1171 features a rigid aluminum router mounting plate that stays flat and precise for accuracy. For added versatility, it's pre-drilled to fit a variety of routers. Easy to use: 2 easy-to-use featherboards attached to fence and router table, providing additional guidance and protection against kickback. They're fully adjustable to fit a variety of workpieces. Accessory slot accepts additional featherboards and 3/4 inch optional accessories such as miter gauge, cleanup. With a cabinet-style design, the RA1171 is able to feature 2 dust collection ports for removing any job site dust and debris. The dust collection ports fit standard 2 1/2 inch vacuum hoses. Top 2. JET708675 PK 10 inches Deluxe XACTA Saw, 3 horsepower, 50 inches rip. Quick release riving knife, hassle-free riving knife changes. Poly V drive belt system, delivers efficient, quiet operation. Shrouded blade and 4 inches dust collection port, increases dust collection efficiency. Built-in, sealed storage drawer. Top 3. Rousseau 2780 Table Saw Stand for smaller portable saws, replaces Rousseau models 2745 and 2700 XL. Fits smaller portable saws, dual DWE7480, DW745, Bosch GTS 1031, Skill SPT70 WT22, Makita 2703, increase rip capacity to 27 inches, includes T-style locking fence for accuracy, micro-adjust assembly for quick and accurate saw positioning. Optional accessories include Model 2720 outfeed table, Model 2780 EXT extension table, Model 2780 RXT router extension table. Adjustable hairline indicator. Top 4. Dual table saw stand for Jobsite, 10 inch, DW7451. Heavy-duty tube steel construction provides the strength you need for safe operation. Upward bar hardware holes for secure fastening of saw to the stand. Lightweight. Folds flat for easy handling, storage, and transport. Designed for use with the DW7480 compact Jobsite table saw, DCS748560V table saw and DW745 compact table saw. Top 5. DEWALT DWE7491RS, 10 inch table saw, 32-1/2 inch rip capacity. Your purchase includes one dual table saw, 10 inches 24-tooth carbide blade, rolling stand, push stick, miter gauge, rip fence, 2X blade wrenches, blade guard assembly manual. Another specs: max rip to left of blade, 22 inches max rip to right of blade, January 2, 32 max width of dado, 13/16 arbor size, 5/8 amps. 15 depth of cut at 45 degrees -1/4 depth of cut at 90 degrees -3 no load speed, 4800 RPMs, rolling stand designed for easy setup and breakdown with excellent stability. Rack and pinion telescoping fence system make fence adjustments fast, smooth and accurate. Features a 15.0A high torque motor with the power to cut pressure-treated lumber and hardwoods. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.